Hello viewers, it's your boy Simon. Please subscribe, notify, thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Was it useful? Was it useless? Because I will be using MTC's material because I'm from Namibia, so we use MTC, but I'm not sure that it will work in some of the countries. So people who are from Namibia, this will be very useful for you. And just please don't just go to Vidmate and download this video. Just tell your friends or your friends to go to YouTube and check it out for themselves. Are you always there? Don't be the one to provide for them videos and then they just say thank you. Sometimes they don't even say thank you. So let's get started. Okay. So I put in my pin. You won't use it. It's 2005. Okay, and you must have credit for this method. So I put in my pattern. You're never gonna steal this phone. You don't even know me. Okay, let's make it a little bit tough. Okay, so so you go in messages. Okay, let's just do this and this and this and this. So you go in right, and then from there you write 1251 number imutomishi. You maybe know it. 1251. Okay, from there you come here, capital numbers, 2 M's and an S, and then from there you send, and then then from there you just wait, sit tight, wait for the magic to do its work. Then we'll receive a message that contains all the information, as you can see right there. I'll read it for you. I'll try my best. Dear customer, you receive RM whatever setting shorten dial, get the best deals. I'm not a good reader. You can check out my other videos and subscribe. There's even this one where I'm hacking in people's DSTV account. You can go check that one out. It's very useful. Let's just wait for the other message. But this is pretty much all. Because I've done it already, I don't think it will bring the other message. So if you are doing it for the first time, it will bring you 2 types of messages. I think the other one is here. Where is it? Okay, just get out. Go in message. You see? It already done its. It already did its own job. Like that, you are done. Your phone is okay. So you see, settings have successfully been sent to request for future internet and sending, and for other methods that you have been seeing on YouTube and you are wondering why they are not working. Now they'll be working. Let me just show you. Go to mobile data, press there for a long time, and come here. It will search. Just wait. Hold on. Be patient. Okay, let's wait. Did somebody break your heart like it is? I'm getting tired. Okay, as you can see, there are the methods. This is what you have trying to get, but you are not getting. Now you have fixed it. You see there. Wait. Search, network, authority, stay home, and then from there you just choose MTC, stay home safety, because for my country, and you see network registered. So when you come here, and sorry if the phone is not quality is correct, that's when you are broke, you are just broke. And I fixed my own phone and yours in return. Do you know what you can give me in return? Subscribe, notify, and there's a video where I'm giving instruction on how to win a a iPhone 5. I know it's an old model. Maybe I should just sell it and buy a new one for you guys to evolve. But it's the best offer I could give a person. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and leave and thumbs up. Yeah, just thank you. Leave a comment. Thank you.